In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy sharing settings in Salesforce. By the end, you'll confidently create and save an account sharing rule so the right people have the right level of access without exposing more than necessary. Start by signing into your Salesforce org with an account that has administrative access. Make sure you're in the correct environment, especially if your company uses both sandbox and production. It's best practice to make changes in a sandbox first, then promote them when you're satisfied with the results. From the Salesforce interface, open settings using the gear icon in the header. Next, choose the option to open Advanced Setup. This takes you into the full setup workspace, where all security and configuration tools live. If your layout looks slightly different, don't worry. The labels can vary by edition, but the path is the same. In the setup workspace, use the quick find search box to look up sharing. This is the fastest way to get to the security controls you need without clicking through multiple menus. Select sharing settings. This page controls organization-wide defaults and the rules that layer on top of them. Remember, sharing rules can only open up access. They can't restrict access below your org-wide defaults, so keep that in mind as you design changes. Scroll to the section labeled Account Sharing Rules. This is where you'll define how account records are shared beyond the baseline. When you're there, click New to start a new rule. You'll land on the rule editor where clarity matters. Give the rule a concise, meaningful name and description so teammates and auditors understand its purpose later. Configure the rule details next. Choose how records are selected, commonly by owner or by record criteria, and specify explicitly which accounts the rule should target. Then define who will gain access, such as a public group, role, or role and subordinates. Finally, set the level of access, like read-only or read-write. Follow the principle of least privilege. Grant only what users need to do their jobs. When everything looks correct, click Save on the rule. You'll return to the sharing settings page. To finalize and apply your changes, click Save again. Salesforce may need a moment to recalculate sharing across your data, especially in larger orgs. You'll see a confirmation when it's done. That's it. You've created and deployed a sharing rule for accounts. Document the rule's name, rationale, and expected impact so future updates are easier to manage, and align the timing of changes with your organization's release process to minimize disruption.